I usually ride my bicycle to work. It's much faster than taking the bus because I can take a shortcut through the park. It takes about 20 minutes in total. The subway is even slower because it is a 15-minute walk from my house to a subway station. Then a subway ride is another 20 minutes. In the winter though, I have to take the bus because of the weather. I'm a wedding planner. My job brings me a lot of pleasure. Today is an amazing day. I am planning my sister's wedding. She will wear a beautiful white dress. I also get to wear a lovely dress. I also get to wear a lovely dress. After the wedding, all the rest we have a after the wedding, all the rest we have a after the wedding, all the rest we have a nice dinner and we have danced for hours. In the evening, my sister and her new husband will cut the cake that I designed. I hope they like it a lot.